Would you believe? $1 million mountain views, a fully remodeled interior, and the two-car oversized garage in Arvada for under 500K. Let's take a look. Hey everyone, I'm Mark Baier, your Arvada real estate expert, and today I'm giving you an exclusive look at 14247 West 84 Circle Unit C. I will also be holding this open so you can get a full property view this Sunday from noon until 2. Make sure you stop by. You don't want to miss. Here's the thing. Buyers tell me all the time they want low maintenance living, walkability, modern finishes, and real Colorado views. But finding all those in one place, especially under 500K, is almost impossible. This condo, it delivers on every single one of those wish items. Let's start with location. The Villages of Five Parks is one of Arvada's most sought-after communities. Tree-lined streets, parks, trails, a community center, and the best dining and shopping just steps away. If lifestyle matters to you, this neighborhood is a standout. As you walk in, you're greeted with a bright, open layout and fully remodeled kitchen featuring granite countertops, custom cabinets, and updated finishes throughout. The living room flows seamlessly to your first private deck, perfect for morning coffee or evening sunsets. This home offers 2 spacious bedrooms and 2 beautifully updated bathrooms. Whether you're working from home, downsizing, or looking for a lock-and-leave lifestyle, this layout is incredibly functional. And this is where the home really shines. Your second private deck with sweeping, unobstructed mountain views. Seriously, these are the kind of views people move to Colorado for. Plus, you get a rare, oversized 2-car garage, perfect for storage, gear, bikes, or even a workshop setup. Condos with garages like this are extremely hard to find. If you want to see this home in person, I would love to see you this Sunday from noon until 2. Homes like this in Five Parks go extremely fast, and this one is definitely a game changer.